Imagine this. You're a wildlife biologist, surrounded by nature's complexity. You're tasked with identifying, classifying, and reporting on countless species. It's a daunting task, right? Perhaps you're a wetland ecologist, grappling with intricate plant communities and their regulatory statuses. Or maybe you're an environmental compliance specialist, ensuring projects adhere to complex regulations. Whatever your role, managing taxonomy data can be a time-consuming challenge. Taxonomy is more than just names. It's about understanding the intricacies of plants and animals, their habitats, and their legal protections. With constantly changing regulations and a vast array of species, keeping track of everything can be overwhelming. That's where Wildnote comes in. We've created a powerful taxonomy system to simplify your work. Wildnote's platform gives you access to up-to-date species data, including scientific and common names, state and federal listings, native and invasive status, and more. We offer over 100 pre-built taxonomy lists for various regions and habitats, saving you valuable time. Imagine generating a comprehensive species table for your report in a single click, including all species metadata. You can even send us your own list if we don't have what you are looking for. With Wildnote, you can increase efficiency and accuracy in data collection and reporting, make informed decisions based on reliable data, and stay up to date with the latest taxonomic information. We're committed to empowering environmental professionals like you. Let Wildnote handle the complexities of taxonomy so you can focus on what you love, protecting our planet. Sign up for a free trial today. Go to wildnoteapp.com.